Hi, I'm Megan Kipiak. Welcome back to Bouchée, français.
And I'm Caleb Hecht. Bienvenue.
Oh my god, have you seen this cat video? It is hilarious.
Wow, that's really funny.
Really? That's all you got? First time I saw it, je me suis fendu le poire.
You cut your pear? What does that even mean? Were you cooking?
No. Se fendre le poire means to laugh super hard.
What? That makes no sense.
Well, you remember the French obsession with food?
Yeah.
Well, sometimes they compare body parts with food. In this case, pear is like your face, and like you split it open by laughing.
I guess that makes sense. Se fendre la poire means to laugh really hard. French is weird.
Yes, it is. That's it for Bouchée français this week. See you next week.
Au revoir.